Today we have Samsung Galaxy A70 and here battery cover comes easily. So we start disassembling. We are fixing screen right here. There's a new one. Also it's important to eject SIM card tray from this device. Now we need to remove midframe. I use these mediators. Firstly, we need to unplug battery cable. Here we need to remove motherboard, unplug fingerprint reader from the subboard and remove them, because we need to place them on new frame. Now remove fingerprint reader, unscrewing 2 screws. Also, not forget to apply some isopropyl alcohol to soften the adhesive if you find hard removing some parts. Now we need to put all these parts to our new screen. Now remove transportation foil if you have it. Now don't forget to put vibration motor and other parts before motherboard and subboard. Put speaker and fingerprint reader on their places. Also, before you put on its place motherboard and subboard, you need to connect display cable into the subboard. Here I forgot to place battery on its place, but in this situation you can simply disconnect this cable and the battery can go in its place. Now put 2 screws to secure fingerprint reader. Put white cable on its place. Here I decided to glue up this battery because it was not secure enough. I used double-sided tape. Now we need to connect this cable from subboard to mainboard and connect battery cable. Also put a midframe. Here I checked whether display is working. You can put SIM card tray. Checking display. And now screwing this midframe. But now, for some reason, the phone won't start. Hopefully it was low on battery. Now put some glue T7000 to glue back cover. Finally put on glue battery cover. Now put some rubber bands to glue it properly. Now wait 2 or 3 hours. Now remove rubber bands. Remove some glue residue. I hope this video was helpful and see you in the next one.